Today we're at St Robert of Newminster's Roman Catholic Church in the centre of Morpeth. Here to see some stunning art within this church. And as we see, there's the stairs that go up to the bell tower as we go into the nave to have a look further. Foundations for this church were laid on the 20th of August 1848 and it was opened on the 3rd of September 1849 and was consecrated by Bishop Hogarth of Newcastle on the 1st of August 1850. And are some delightful Stations of the Cross. Above the Stations of the Cross and between the windows there's some fabulous statues. The high altar was made by A.B. Wall, Cheltenham, and dated 1898 and was a gift from one of Morpeth's most notable Catholic sons. Interestingly, the carving on the front of the high altar, a pelican feeding its young, as representation of supreme self-sacrifice and medieval single the best sacrament. The stained glass, done in 1850, was done by the renowned Victorian glassmaker William Wales of Newcastle. The statues were also done by William Wales, and they show the statues of the apostles and were dated from 1860 of wood over the Stations of the Cross, which were replacements in 1948 from wooden black and white ones. Absolutely stunning artwork. And there's some fabulous examples of stained glass here from the northeast. And the statues are stunning, as are the Stations of the Cross. And here we see the balcony as we go underneath it that contains above it the beautiful organ. Unfortunately we couldn't get access, but hopefully we can come back some other time to maybe have a further look. So if you liked, please like, subscribe and continue to watch. And for now, goodbye.